Video will serve as a quick overview for how your students will navigate through the 8th grade scientific notation digital escape room. When you give your students the link, they will just come to this page and click Start. Then they will come to a page that explains their background information. There's been a deep space exploration spacecraft that ran into communication issues. They have to search mission control, find all 5 locks, solve the problems, use their answers to decipher codes, and then enter the codes and reactivate the communication system and save the world. So let's see what that means. This right here is the background. This is where they will find everything that they need to go ahead and solve this escape room. They will click on things. Some things will be clues, some things will be decoys. Here they have lock 3. They will go ahead and solve all 4 problems, and then they will use this key here to figure out the code. So for problem 1 is the red digit in the code. They will go ahead and say if the answer is A, that means a 1 goes in there. If the answer is 2, or if the answer is B, a 2 goes in there. C would correspond to 3, and so on and so forth. They will click return and keep searching for more clues. I would have them figure out their clues and write their codes on a piece of paper. It comes with a digitally fillable worksheet, but that's really best for being turned in. Not everything they click on is a clue. There are some decoys just meant to emulate a real escape room. It's just meant to be a little pitfall. They just click return and head back to the room. And I'll click on maybe one more thing here. Oop, I already clicked on that. There are 2 locks that contain word problems. So they will have word problems, they will have decoys, they'll keep searching the room and looking for things to click on. Oh, I keep finding all the decoys. So when they are all done, they will come to, the instructions tell them that they are going to go ahead and click on the time remaining clock. And it will ask if they're ready to enter their answers. If they are, of course, they click yes. If they came here by mistake, they just say, nope, take me back. But if they are, they'll go ahead and click yes. And then they'll come to basically 5 password protected pages where they will go ahead and put in their answer and hit enter. And they will get, congratulations, you opened lock 1. Once you open all 5, you will complete this mission. Now, when they do that and they've done all 5, they will get this final congratulations page. It'll say mission accomplished, great work. There's no way to submit this and for you to see a report of all the students who submitted it, like with my Google Sites rooms. So all you'll do is have them take a screenshot of this or turn in the digitally fillable worksheet that comes with this for proof of completion. Go to Teachers Pay Teachers, Math Hop by Jackie B, and check out this escape room and all my others.